Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to sell personalized print-on-demand phone cases on Shopify. This method allows your customers to upload photos and text and fully customize their phone cases while everything like production, printing, and shipping is handled by a print-on-demand partner. So, print on demand or POD is a simple and low risk business model. You sell customized products like phone cases, mugs, or t shirts without holding any inventory. Products are only made when ordered, so there's no upfront cost. So, it makes it a great option for beginners. Sounds interesting, right? So now there's a step-by-step guide to start selling personalized phone cases. First, install the Tsunami print-on-demand app. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for Tsunami print-on-demand, and then install the app. Open the Tsunami app and navigate to Products. Select iPhone cases or another type of phone case you want to sell. Choose the fully personalizable option to allow customers to design their cases by uploading photos and adding texts. Now, customize the product title, description, and price to match your branding. Publish the product directly to your Shopify store. Now start driving traffic to your Shopify store using social media, ads, or other marketing strategies to attract customers. When a customer places an order, the print-on-demand partner handles production and shipping for you. You just collect the profit while the hard work is taken care of. So, why print-on-demand is a great option? There is no upfront costs for inventory. Products are only created when sold, so there's minimal risk. And personalized products like phone cases are in high demand and have excellent profit potential. So that's it, guys. With this setup, you can start selling personalized phone cases and build a profitable business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.